Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast at Mount Floyen in Bergen, Norway. See a big fountain down below, carnival area, parking garages, highway on this side, closer to the fjord in the back. Carnival area was pretty cool, was walking through that earlier, so nice to see it from up top. And the large fountain, of course. See what looks to be a church down below. The fish market, you can see the red awnings and the dock right ahead, or the pier. And more ships going this way. Get a nice view way up top of Bergen, Norway, on the upper parts of Mount Floyen. T-shirts, hoodies, stuffed animals, and much more. See the cars up top. How I got up here. Replica of that. Hoodies here, T-shirts, all the stuffed animals. Some bears, foxes, owls, trolls at the top. Up ahead looks to be another restaurant with some sort of steaming machine or a cooking machine on the outside. And there's the big troll up ahead, and a troll-themed playground as well. See the trolls by the slides and the stairs. Slides on this area as well. It has its hand out. Pretty funny here. Get a look at this statue. Coming back around, see all the dogs. More part on this side. Take the car back down. A map of the area, top station, shop, cafe, playground, information, restaurant, nature school, troll forest, the cone, goats, looking forward to some goats, exercise area, although that's perhaps the whole thing, barbecue area, and more. So that's maybe what we saw up ahead. Different gates going up on these cars, and up to number 1, where I believe we are now, and see the playground with the troll, number 4 and 15. The free high five. Getting back to the tour area to meet with the group I went on, had an excursion credit to use on this cruise. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Bergen, Norway, Mount Floyen. One final look from the observation deck. Stay tuned for more content.